Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Absa Bank Interest Rates. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to help you understand how interest rates work and how to make the most of your money. First, let's start with the basics. An interest rate is a percentage at which interest is paid on a loan or deposit. In the case of Absa Bank, interest rates are applied to various products such as savings accounts, fixed deposits, and loans. To understand how interest rates work, let's consider a simple example. Suppose you open a savings account with Absa Bank and deposit $1,000. If the interest rate is 5% per annum, you will earn $50 in interest over a year, bringing your total balance to $1,050. Now, let's look at the different types of interest rates offered by Absa Bank. These include fixed interest rates, which remain the same over a specified period, and variable interest rates, which can change over time. Fixed interest rates are often used for fixed deposits, while variable interest rates are used for savings accounts and loans. When it comes to loans, interest rates can significantly impact your repayments. For instance, if you take out a personal loan of $10,000 with an interest rate of 15% per annum, your monthly repayments will be higher than if the interest rate was 10% per annum. To get the best out of Absa Bank interest rates, it's essential to consider your financial goals and choose the product that suits you best. If you're saving for a short-term goal, a savings account with a competitive interest rate may be a good option. On the other hand, if you're looking to save for a long-term goal, a fixed deposit with a higher interest rate may be more suitable. In conclusion, understanding Absa Bank interest rates is crucial to making informed decisions about your finances. By considering the different types of interest rates and products available, you can make the most of your money and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and seek advice from a financial expert if you're unsure about any aspect of interest rates.